This video is to help you solve simultaneous equations. So here's a classic question. Have a go, and so pause the video and then I'll talk you through it once you've had a go. So what we need to do, we need to have the same number of x's or the same number of y's in both. So I've chosen to multiply the second equation, which I've called equation 2, by 4. That's what I'm doing here. So every term is multiplied by 4, so we get 8x plus 4y equals 40, and I'm calling this equation 3. Now I'm then sort of putting that above the equation 1 up here and comparing the two. Now I've lined up the y's, so I need to eliminate the y's. They're both plus 4y, so in order to eliminate these I'm going to take away the lower equation from the one above. So 8 take away 3 is 5, 40 take away 20 is 20. That's eliminated the y's, so then it's easy to solve. 5x is 20, so x is 4. So that's got x. Now how do we work out y? Well, we basically take this x that we've just worked out and substitute it back into either of our opening equations. Now I've chosen to do number 2 because it's a bit easier. So I've just worked out that x was 4, so I'll replace the x with the 4 and then just work my way through it to get y equals 2. Here's the second question, have a go. Okay, and same initial step. In order to line them up, I've now chosen to double the first one, which I've done here, calling it equation 3. I've lined them up. Now the ones I've lined up are the two y's, but as one of them's plus 2y and the other is minus 2y, I have to choose to add these two equations together in order to eliminate these y's. So that gives me 11x equals 33, x is 3, substitute in and I get y. Here's a third one, have a go at this one. And the only difference here is that we've got to do a couple of things in order to line up. So you can't just do it in one step. So I've doubled the first one, tripled the second. That's given me 6x's in both, which I can then take away, solve for y and substitute in to solve for x.